It's magical to hear them. I heard that coyotes, because all dogs, right? They only expel toxins. They don't have skin like we do to expel toxins through the skin. So coyotes have a response where if they get poisoned, if let's say they get a snake bite, they will start sprinting and breathing like crazy. And if they run long enough and fast enough, and if they breathe strongly enough, they can survive the bite, because they will expel all of the toxins, all of the venom through breathing. That's something to ponder if you ever get any type of poisoning. That's also something to ponder if you have food poisoning, whatever. Just enough breathing, because we expel 70% of all toxins through breath, and then through the skin, and then, or no, breath, and then of course digestion, and then the skin. But coyotes have this innate instinct that when they get bitten by a snake, they just run like crazy and they breathe like crazy and they can survive. Yeah. Like, breathing is amazing. It's the most important thing, right? Welcome Susan from United States. This is an emotional and mental health Q&A, so ask any